How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be making my very own shift boot delete. I'll be replacing the OEM shift boot with this clear acrylic piece. But before we get started, I'm going to run to the store and grab a few tools, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's go ahead and get started. So the main piece that I need is this shifted bezel right here. But in order to get access to that, I will need to remove the shift knob, the shift boot, and this whole plastic trim right here. For the 2012s, it's fairly easy. Just a matter of popping this off and everything just pretty much lifts up. The order in which you want to remove this is the shift knob, this whole plastic trim, flip it over, and you got 4 screws here holding the shift boot with this bezel right here. It's fairly self-explanatory. Let's go ahead and get to it. Pops right out. Now you flip this over, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws right here. Just take your Phillips and undo these. Alright, so once you undo those screws, you have 2 plastic clips that are holding it in. All you want to do is just push these outwards and it will just pop right out like that. Put that to the side. All we need is this piece right here. Let's go ahead, take you guys inside, and we'll get to measuring. Alright, so this is the template that I'll be going with. This will be installed like so. Clip it in here, 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 and pop it in there. As for the opening, I'll be mocking this bezel shape. I think it'll look cleaner. I will need to measure and see how wide I need to make the opening to clear the shifter. Alright guys, so this is the final form of the shift boot delete plate that I DIY'd. Don't mind all the fingerprints. I'll clean that off in a bit. This is made out of 1/16" thick clear acrylic. And as for the opening, I decided to match the opening of the bezel. I think it has a cleaner look. So the plate is very easy to install. First, you'll just need to pop this in place. You got the top right corner, the bottom right corner, and then this left bottom corner will just snap right in. And there you have it. You have the shift boot delete plate in place. You'll then secure the plate with the 4 screws that you took off earlier, and there you have it. Let's go ahead and get this onto the car and let's see how it looks with everything in place. Alright, so I got the trim panel, the bezel, and the shift boot delete plate back in place. I also went ahead and engraved the staylurking logo on the bottom portion of the plate. It does add a nice personal touch to it. Now this plate does clear all the stock shift points. The 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Got reverse and neutral. And I know looking at stock shifter is not exciting, but I do plan on getting a short shifter in the near future. But even now, it looks good in the cabin. You know, something different from your usual shift boot. I like it. If you guys are interested in picking one of these plates up, message me at FB6Snow on Instagram. I'll help you guys out. This one in particular will only fit the 2012 Civics. I do plan on making some for the 2013s and up, but I do not have enough interest. I probably won't make them. But definitely let me know. Leave in the comments down below. Alright guys, so that is my custom shift boot delete plate that I made for the Civic. If you guys found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you guys give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. It would definitely help me out and you wouldn't want to miss any more content. Let me know what you guys think about the shift boot delete plate in the comment section down below, what I can improve on, and any designs that you guys would like to see. Also, if you guys are interested in picking one up, message me at FB6Snow on Instagram, and I'll definitely help you guys out. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and remember to always stay lurking.